Now we will discuss about some definitions about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror से related कुछ definitions जैसे aperture. First, aperture. Actually, what is aperture? Aperture is suppose we put a mirror on the paper and draw its outline. For a spherical mirror, this outline will be circular, and diameter of this circle is called aperture of the mirror. Diameter of this is called outline of a spherical mirror. And diameter, this diameter is called aperture. What is definition? Definition is the diameter of outline of a spherical mirror outline of a spherical mirror is called aperture. Now, second definition. This is pole. What is pole? The geometrical midpoint of the surface of the spherical mirror is called pole. The cross section of a mirror. These are cross section of mirror. Suppose it is concave mirror. And this is its cross section. The center point, this center point, midpoint is called pole of the mirror. Means what is pole? Pole is the center of spherical surface lying on the surface. ये हमेशा उसके मिरर के सरफेस पर लाई करता है पोल. These are, when we make some diagram like this, these are not spherical mirror. These are the cross section of a spherical mirror. We use cross section to show the mirror. Next, center of curvature. Any spherical mirror is part of a sphere. When surface is spherical, that means this mirror is a part of a sphere. The center of that sphere is called center of curvature. Means center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. Mirror is a part is called center of curvature. Radius of curvature. Similarly, center of sphere, radius of sphere of which radius of sphere of which mirror is a part is called radius of curvature of the mirror. So this is center of this spherical mirror, and this spherical mirror is part of this sphere. Center of this sphere is called center of curvature of the mirror, and radius of this sphere is called radius of curvature. This is radius of curvature. This is center of curvature. And another thing is that if curvature relation between curvature and radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is inversely proportional to curvature. It means, suppose these are two mirrors. We see that the curvature of first mirror A and B, its curvature CA is less than CB. कर्वेचर ऑफ ए मतलब इसका जो कर्व है ये बहुत ज्यादा अंदर की तरफ है, more inwards to the surface. Its curvature is low, its curvature is high, and radius of curvature RA will be more than radius of curvature of B. मीन्स कर्वेचर जितना ज्यादा होगा उसका रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर उतना ही कम होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, that is focus of mirror. There is a general definition for focus which can be applied to all optical instruments like mirrors, spherical mirrors, or lens, convex lens, concave lens. The definition of focus is applicable to all. What is focus? Suppose this is concave mirror and this is pole and this is center of curvature. One more definition must be before focus, that is principal axis. The line passing through with C and P, the line passing through C and P, दोनों से पास होता हुआ जो लाइन होगा इसे हम प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस कहते हैं. This is principal axis. The line passing through center of curvature C, center of curvature and pole of mirror is called principal axis. Now the definition of focus is all rays parallel to principal axis after reflection either passes through a fixed point on the principal axis. This fixed point is called focus. We have said either passing through or appear to come from focus. For convex mirror, this is principal axis, center of curvature, all lines parallel to principal axis. After reflection, appear to come from focus, appear to come from a fixed point on the principal axis, that is called focus. We can now see that for focus, all rays must be parallel to principal axis, otherwise all rays must be parallel to each other. Incident rays. When these rays strikes the mirror after reflection, either they pass through a fixed point on the principal axis or they appear to come from a fixed point on the principal axis. Both cases may be possible. For concave mirror, this is this case, and for convex mirror, this case happens. Therefore, we can make our definition. Definition is that the point of intersection of reflected rays, that point may be virtual or real for incident rays parallel to principal axis. और जब इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होगा तो उस समय जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस का जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन होगा, चाहे वो वर्चुअल होगा चाहे रियल होगा, उस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, दैट पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज कॉल्ड फोकस ऑफ द मिरर. One more thing, that the actual definition, actually this definition is a shortcut definition for class 10. Actual definition of focus is that for any type of mirror, suppose this is concave mirror and this is principal axis. Rays from infinity are parallel to each other. They are not parallel to the principal axis. That is not necessary that they are parallel to principal axis. They are parallel to each other. And parallel to each other when the ray diagram is completed. Suppose this ray is passing through, means beam of rays are coming parallel to each other, and this ray is passing through C, hence it will strike normal to the surface of the mirror, then it will retrace back its path. And another, suppose that is striking at point P pole, the rule says that this angle will be this angle and this reflected ray will pass through like this. So both reflected ray intersect at this point, hence the image will be formed at focus on the focal plane. Which we can assume that object is so much large, then its image is fine, very smaller than the object, and at the focal plane. What is focal plane? Focal plane is a plane which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to principal axis. A plane perpendicular to principal axis passing through the focus is called focal plane. Hence, when this is the real definition of focus, focus is the point at which the rays parallel to each other coming from infinity, means object is at infinity, after reflection makes image at the focal plane passing through the focus. This point is called focus.